Crafters. I am Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe. I have just a little haul video that I'm going to do today. I was watching Paper Terrace, so it's her fault. She had ordered some stuff from Boho Needs, these Indian fabrics, and they were just so pretty that I had to do it. So I'm going to share this with you, and then I have one other little haul that I'll show you all. So we'll look at this one first. These fabrics are absolutely gorgeous. I'll zoom in maybe just a little bit there so y'all can see them, but they're so pretty. I think this would just make a cute little cluster, just a decorative element on a page. I mean, that would just look so pretty on this, actually. So pretty. And then here's just another little piece. This could go on the edge of a page. This would be a really pretty belly band, actually. So pretty. And here's another one. Just gorgeous. I forget the name of these packets. The shipping did take forever. I don't think that's normally the case, but if you aren't in a big hurry. Oh, this one, look how pretty that is. I love that teal color. That's so pretty. And then with this, oh my goodness. Look at that. That would be a really pretty cover, wouldn't it? And then this one. I like the sequins on here. It gives it a little bling. So y'all can see that. Wow. These are so pretty. Another one with a little bling on it. And then this is the last one in this little pack. Really sheer. So these came from India, so that's part of the reason why they took so long. And then I ordered, this is a little trim set. Wow. Gosh, I just have fun just looking at these. So pretty. This one has a little scallop design. I like that. Well, that would be pretty for Christmas, actually. That's a really neat design, unique. Pretty colors. I like the gold with that greenish blue, teal, aqua. Oh, look how pretty that one is. Yeah, this will be fun, figuring out things to do with these, things to make. I think these would be really pretty on some tags too. It's like take a tag across the bottom of a tag or something like that. Oh, that would be pretty. I see lots of belly bands and also kind of edges along the pages like that. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, I might have to put one of these in here. So pretty. Yeah, if you didn't see the video where I made this, you can check that out. These colors, not sure which side is the, I think this side. Oh, I like the little pearls on this one. Oh, that's a pretty blue. There's a lot in here. I think these were somewhere around 20, 25 bucks each. I think the whole order was under $50, if I remember correctly. Oh, look at that one. That would be pretty in a Christmas journal too. That would be pretty in like a bohemian journal. And then just a little scrap of fabric. Love the design on that. Oh, and the orange. That would be pretty on that one too. Oh, how fun. That pink and green. Don't remember which packs I picked. If I have my order, I'll put it in the description down below. And then just, these are actually sequins. I don't know if you can tell that. That's kind of cool. I love these purples. Purple's my favorite color. I've been meaning to do a purple journal. Yellow. And then this green one. And then just a little scrap of fabric. So you can check out her boho needs. Very pretty. And then the other haul, I got this on Instagram. It's Crafty Lisa on Instagram. But she was having a little sale, and I just thought some of these items, oops, were really neat. So the first thing, I couldn't resist these. I have never heard of this whiskey before, the Dutchman's. I'm going to have to research it, but it was bottled here in for Coons's, so I have to research them. But there was 4 of these labels. How fun. So I'm going to make a Louisville journal. And then I was looking for just a couple more little decorative elements for my Under the Sea journal. And the color on these tickets I really liked. They almost look like a sea green. So they're just kind of little paper tickets, and they're from, I forget, somewhere. was it Spain or the Ukraine or somewhere? I forget which country. And then look at these cute little things. I thought they were bigger from the photos, but that was my bad. But they're little, the sea, our other world. I thought these would just be so cute in my Under the Sea journal as well. So there were 5 of these. Here's the 5th one. Those were so cute. And then there was a whole bunch of these just really fun, a bunch of little kind of blue colored items, like some little tickets, a bunch of little tickets. I'll kind of set them out here. And I thought they were just so neat. And oh, these are the Ukraine tickets. A whole bunch of little, I think, train tickets. So a whole bunch of those. So you can see all of them here. Look, Dayton Yellow Cab. My oldest daughter went to college in Dayton, so I thought that was neat. So those were fun. And then she threw in like a little freebie packet, a little free gift. So that was really neat. So let me move these out of the way. So there was this silver slipper playing card. But then and a milk bottle. Just some fun little teeny tiny little pieces. A clothing tag, a ticket. Who's the ticket for? Chicago, Illinois, for a drive-in. And then some other little tickets. Another little seal. So that was a nice little, some blue chip tickets. So that was a fun little freebie that she threw in. Thought that was nice. So yeah, so that's my haul. You can check out both these companies. The Crafty Lisa on Instagram, her shipping was quick, and I thought these things were fairly priced as well. All right, that's all for now, guys. Y'all have a good day. See y'all in the next video.